Hello friends, myself Dr. Sanjeet Kumar. Today this is the revision lecture for the tooth. What till now what we have studied in the tooth we will discuss here in the one lecture. So in the lecture 1, tutorial 1, what was the topic? In tutorial 1, dental charting. Dental charting. First method, universal or Cunningham method. This method we will start from here 1 to 16 and 17 to 32. This is the universal method or Cunningham method. Palmer notation, और जिगमोंडी सिस्टम, जिगमोंडी क्राइटेरिया फ्रॉम सेंटर 1 8 1 8 1 to 8 1 to 8 and the notation is there like right upper quadrant, right lower quadrant, left upper quadrant and left lower quadrant. This is for permanent tooth. Temporary tooth, A, B, C, D and E. A, B, C, D and E. This is the Palmer notation or Zygmundi criterion. Victor, Hader-Ruff's criteria. In the Victor Hader-Ruff system, we will start from center. But instead of 1, we have to write here +1 to +8. In maxillary tooth and mandibular tooth, -1 to -8. This is the Victor Hader-Ruff system. Fourth criteria, FDI system or 2-digit system. 2-digit system. Here we are using 1, 2, 3 and 4 per permanent tooth. So instead of 1, we have to write here 11 to 18, and second quadrant 21 to 28, 31 to 38 and 41 to 48. But in 5, 6, 7 or 8, we will start from 51 to 55, 61 to 65, 71 to 75 and then 81 to 85. This is the FDI system. Then modified FDI, fifth, modified FDI. One, 2, 4, 3. Here 5, 6, 8, 7. Rest are same. Tutorial 3 for tooth. So, two types of tooth, temporary tooth and permanent tooth. 2102 by 2102, 20 in number, 2123, 2123, 32 in number. And eruption of tooth. Eruption of tooth in temporary tooth. First lower center incisor, then upper center incisor, then upper lateral incisor, then lower lateral incisor. 6, 7, 8, 9, then molar 1, then canine, then molar 2. Lower center incisor, upper lateral incisor and lower lateral incisor. Then molar 1, then canine, then molar 2. Lower center incisor 6 months, 7 month, 8 month, 9 month, 12 month, molar 1, 18 month and 24 month. Then rule of half dozen. Rule of half dozen. Rule of half dozen. Incisor, molar 1, canine and molar 2. IMCM 6 month, 12 month, 18 month and 24 month. For permanent tooth, eruption, first molar, then central incisor, bilateral, then lateral incisor, bilateral, then premolar 1, premolar 2, then canine, then molar 2, then molar 3. Molar 1 in 6 year, central incisor 7 year, 8 years, lateral incisor 9 years, premolar 1 10 years, premolar 2 11 years, canine 12 to 14 years, and 17 to 25 year third molar, wisdom tooth. This is eruption. Successional tooth, successional tooth 20 number, temporary tooth replaced by permanent tooth at the same site. And then super added tooth, super added tooth, permanent tooth at new site, new position. 12 in number, 12 in number. We have discussed here. This is central incisor, this is lateral incisor, this is canine, molar 1, this molar 2 for temporary tooth. This central incisor is replaced by central incisor of permanent tooth. This lateral incisor replaced by lateral incisor of permanent tooth. Canine replaced by canine. Then molar 1 replaced by premolar 1. Molar 2 replaced by premolar 2. And molar 1, molar 1, molar 2 and molar 3 at the different site. So this is super added tooth. This is the successional tooth, 20 number, 12 number. The mixed dentition age is 6 to 12 years and the number of tooth is 24. And the formula for the calculation of permanent tooth in the mixed dentition age is age minus 5 into 4. Then we have studied about the difference between the temporary and permanent tooth. Temporary tooth is smaller, this is larger, permanent tooth larger. Exception, temporary molar is larger than permanent premolar. Then number 20, number 32, China white in color. This is ivory white in color. Then the neck is more constricted, less constricted. Root is small and more divergent, and then less divergent and large. And the ridge present in the temporary tooth and absent in the permanent tutorial. Secondary changes. Secondary changes. First method, Boyd criteria for neonate only. It is based on the incremental lines, and the rate of incremental lines formation is 1 line per day, and the incremental lines after second or third day of birth. After second or third day of birth, incremental line. Then Stack's criteria. Stack's criteria for infant. This is based on the height and weight of the tooth. Then third one is Gustafson criteria. Gustafson criteria. 6 criteria is there. Kraft, cementum opposition, root resorption, attrition, periodontosis, transparency of root, and secondary dentine. This transparency of root is most specific feature, most specific, most reliable. Then fourth criteria, Dulwich criteria. Attrition, periodontosis, secondary dentin, root is option. Then Lambert criteria. Lambert criteria, PT, periodontosis and transparency of root. This is all about teeth. Okay, thank you.